I'm very grateful talaga na nakuha ulit ako for the Asian Games. And of course, talagang it's really an honor for an athlete na ipatawag ka for the national team. For me talaga, gusto ko talaga i-represent yung Philippines. And yun talaga yung goal ko ever since when I started very young pa. And now, it's still on the process and hopefully talaga mag-connect and mag-inline yung bawat isa. Kasi we're praying for it na talagang mag-inline lang ang nangyayari ngayon. And hopefully lahat ng support and hopefully lahat ng pagmamahal ng bansa, pagmamahal ng mga tao, pagmamahal ng atleta, mapupunta doon sa magandang pamamaraan. And thankful ako and grateful talaga ang mga tao sa mga kami sa mga nag-represent ng Pilipinas. Kasi lagi naman talaga na it's always an honor talaga to represent the Philippines. But of course, kailangan talaga at some point we have to be in a connection with one another and in line with one another. So hopefully, in God's grace talaga magawa natin for the Philippines.